Hello students, welcome back to Standard 7 Mathematics class. We are doing lesson number 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles. Today let's take practice set 21, question number 2. The question is, using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. The measures of some angles are given. Say FOE is given as 4y degree, AOB is given as 8y degree, DOC is given as 6y degree. I think by now you are able to write what is given and what is to be found out. So you can write what is given and what you want to find out. Now in this figure, angle FOE and angle BOC, what type of angles are they? They are vertically opposite angles. So, if this angle is 4y degree, what will be the measure of angle BOC? Yes, angle BOC will also be 4y degree. So, measure angle BOC is equal to measure angle FOE is equal to 4y degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Now, in this figure, angle AOB, angle BOC, angle DOC is together making angle AOD, which is a straight angle. So you can write angle AOD as the sum of these 3 angles. So we write measure angle AOB plus measure angle BOC plus measure angle COD as measure angle AOD. Angle AOD is a straight angle. What is the measure of a straight angle? Measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. So let's write that. Measure angle AOD is equal to 180 degree because it's the measure of a straight angle. So let's substitute the values for AOB, BOC and COD. So you get 8y plus 4y plus 6y is equal to 180. If you add all, you will get 18y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 divided by 18. Therefore, y is equal to 10. Now you can find the values of 4y, 6y and 8y, and you can get the values of each of the angles. So we get 4y is equal to 4 into 10, that is 40 degree. 6y degree means 6 into 10, that is 60 degree. And 8y degree is 8 into 10, that is 80 degree. So you can write the measures of each of the angles. They are all vertically opposite angles. AOB is vertically opposite to DOE. So you get both of them as 80 degree. BOC and FOE are again vertically opposite, so each of them is 60 degree. And similarly, angle COD and AOF is also 60 degree. Let's come to question number 3. The question is, in the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measures of angle ACB and ACD are 3x minus 17 degree and 8x plus 10 respectively. Find the measures of angle ACB and angle ACD. Also find the measures of angle A and angle B. The figure is not given, but let's draw a rough figure so it will become easier for us to solve the sum. This is the figure. ABC is the triangle. Angle ACD is an exterior angle and the 2 angles are given. So how will you solve? First we will have to find the value of x. We can see that angle ACB and angle ACD are forming a linear pair. So the sum of those 2 angles will be 180 degree. Measure angle ACB and measure angle ACD is 180 degree because these are angles forming a linear pair. Now let's substitute the values. ACB is 3x minus 17. 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is 180 degree. 3x plus 8x will give you 11x. That is 11x minus 17 and plus 10 will give you minus 7. So you get 11x minus 7 is equal to 180. So 11x is equal to 180 plus 7. That means 11x is equal to 187. X is equal to 187 divided by 11. That is x is equal to 17. Measure angle ACB is 3x minus 17. Let us substitute the value of x. So you get 3 into 17 minus 17. So that will give you 51 minus 17. That's equal to 34. Now measure angle ACD is 8x plus 10. That means 8 into 17 plus 10. 8 into 17 is 136 plus 10. That is 146. So we get measure angle ACB is 34 degree and measure angle ACD is 146 degree. Now we know that ACD is 146 degree and angle A and angle B are equal. So what is the relation between these two angles and the exterior angle? Yes, the measure of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of the interior opposite angles. That means you can write measure angle ACD is equal to measure angle A plus measure angle B. So we can write measure angle A plus measure angle B is measure angle ACD by the property of exterior angle of a triangle. Now it's given that the measures of angle A and B are equal. So let us assume that measure angle A and measure angle B is y degree. So substituting that we get y plus y is 146 degree. 2y is equal to 146. So y is equal to 146 divided by 2. That means y is equal to 73. So the final answer will be the measures of all the angles. Measure angle ACB is 34 degree. Measure angle ACD is 146 degree. Measure angle A is 73 degree. And measure angle B is also 73 degree. With this we come to the end of the lesson. Please keep revising whatever you have learned. Please solve problem set number 20 and 21 in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.